Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a pc3 on lesson 31. I hope you're all doing well. Clazel and Lisa, enjoy the nice weather. Let's get started. Today we're gonna start with cadence is playing. We're gonna start with a D minor. We're gonna do even faster, much faster than last week. Okay. Okay, D minor. Let me adjust this so that it doesn't. Okay. So we're gonna go 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let me adjust the angle a little bit more. Okay, one more time, even faster. So we go 1, 2, ready, go. Again. Quickly, F major, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, G major, so and so, so, re. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, so, so, re. Last one, A minor, La and La do mi. 1, 2, ready. Sorry, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do playback. So we're gonna start with A minor, which is played. 1, 2, listen. Play one more time, second time. Okay, give you some time, your turn. Okay, next one, F major. Second time. Your turn. Okay, last one, D minor. Listen. Second time. Your turn. All right, grade 9 exam book on page 29. Let's work on side playing. It's been quite long time, 2 weeks. We haven't really done the side playing yet. So page 29 again. Look at the key signatures. Think about the key, first note, last note, time signature, and dynamics. Right, the little details. Okay, you have 10 seconds. My little kitty is under the piano and she's listening and watching too. And you have 2 lines. Look for something like a similar music, like similar bars. There are some bars that are like quite similar. Left hand, no, I think the right hand. There are 2 bars that right hand plays the same notes. Okay, you try it, okay? You can try it. Okay, so sound like this. See, listen to my version and then see if you can, because mine is the perfect version and then see if you did it correct or you did it quite similar to mine. Oops. She is right here. She was jumping on me and then I caught her. And then I'm gonna set her away. Listen. Second line. 2, 3, rest. Okay. Yeah, the speed you can do a little bit slower. Mine is a little bit faster on the faster side, so you can when you play it, you can do a little bit slower. Okay, so that you don't feel like you're rushed or you don't feel like you can take time for your notes and things like that. And then there's a do sharp, right? Be careful with the do sharp. And then left hand, you play the whole notes. And then right hand, you start with the quarter rest, okay? All right, now let's work on some of accompaniment. Page 35, accompaniment. Oops. Okay, same mode. It will be on your own. You should know this, what to do really well, okay? I give you 10 seconds and then I'll be playing the right hand. Okay, listen. Okay, pretty straightforward. We're in the key of C major. Your right hand, left hand is already been given, and the right hand is on G clef. So do and do mi. Okay. Let's try both hands with your harmony playing first with solid chord. So we go, and we're in 3/4. So 3 beats per bar. 1, 2, 3, like that. Ready? Listen. When I say play, we play at the same time. 1, 2, play. Okay, now let's do the accompaniment. And 3 beats per bar, so our bum, cha, cha, bum, cha, bum, things like that. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, go. All right, let's move to melody hearing. Okay, we're in the key of F major. 2 times per 2 bars so that you can hear really well. Second time. You play. So I played. Hopefully you got the same notes, and we're gonna keep going. Second time, slower. Okay, your turn. Okay, I played. Sol, la, si, fa, la, sol, do, fa. So hopefully you got a C flat because we're in the key of F major. So we have a C flat going on in the right hand melody. All right, let's. Okay, Peter Pan's dancing. I think that one is good. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start with a hunting song, and then I'm gonna add another piece. Okay, anyways, we're gonna start with hunting sound. Let's try the right hand together, okay? So we're gonna start. Go! Okay, let's try both hands. I trust you on the left hand because the left hand is much easier than the right hand, right? Just a fa la, fa la, fa la, like that, okay? Be ready, let's play both hands together. Ready, go. Okay, hopefully you got that really well. Let's do a Song of Spain, page 78. I think it's a quite challenging piece, but it's the style that we don't really or we don't normally see. So you can feel the difference, like different characters, like different style of music. So page 78. Okay, listen. Okay, sound like a, I don't know, like a folk song, or like definitely it's a dance, but you can hear the Spanish like da 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 da, like more like a swing rhythm, and then with unusual like harmony. So sound like sorry. It's some like a melodic line. It's kind of unusual. It's not like our typical classic music. Like our this one is more like unexpected. Some melodic lines and your right hand notes are kind of like unexpected. So that gives the piece more like different characters. So like you can hear the difference, like, and then work on the different styles. That's what I meant. Okay, and where in the key obviously is a minor key. It's a song of Spain. It's more, to me, it's like it's more like a dance music, and then scherzo means dance with humor. And we're in the key of, it's a happy, it's a song kind of sad, but it's the rhythm and the music itself. Definitely, it's a happy song. So we're in the key of A minor. Start with left hand la do mi la do mi so sharp si mi so sharp si, like that typical bong cha cha pattern. And then left hand, last bar, second page, last bar, we end with do la do mi la do mi, right? Yeah, so that's a one chord la do mi in A minor. So you got that. And then there are lots of so sharps going on. And yeah, so quite important is that you have the accent, that accent mark on the, it's not on the beat 1 actually, it's on beat 2, and we're in the time signature of 3/8. That means that 3 beats per bar, and 8th note gets 1 beat, right? So your first bar, that's a half bar, and the first bar is 1 2 3 1 2 3, so it gives you the bong cha cha idea. And then the first bar is only half, right? We talk about this when the piece do not start with beat 1, we call it pick-up measure, right? And then where are the rest beats? So we have 3 beats, and then the last bar you have 1 quarter note. 1 quarter note contains 2 8th notes, so you have B1, B2, and then here's 2 16th note that equal to an 8th note. So this is a beat 3. Okay, so that we call it pick-up measure. So if you forgot the term or don't know, forgot the definition, you can write it down, mark that down, so that it reminds you what's going on here. All right. Okay, so and then accent mark, start from, I'm gonna play one more time, start from the beginning. Pay attention to the accent mark. And then I think the accent mark on the second beat normally happens on the first beat, on the downbeat, right? So I think that make the piece more interesting too. And if I play, so I put accent on the downbeat, I think sound a little bit weird. So sorry. So the ending, the rhythm is a little tricky. Well, it's not that tricky. It's just more like a dotted rhythm, dotted quarter, and then written in a dotted 8th notes, dotted 8th format. So you play this 2 together, left and right, and then together, and then you see that's a 16th. So that, which means that you are going to play the left hand first, and then add the right hand after you play. So once you hear your left hand, and then you play the right hand. So sound like this. I'm gonna start from the last line, okay? So you go together, together, left hand, right hand. Okay, that rhythm, it's not, I don't think it's hard for you, and it's not the first time. It's just we normally see that type of rhythm in dotted quarter and followed by an eighth, and then because since we're in 3/8, so the composer write the dotted rhythm with a dotted eighth plus a 16th format. Okay, but the idea is it's the same. Yes. And then rest, be careful with the rest at the end. So you go one, rest, one, rest, and then play at the end. All right, so hunting song, make sure you do 2 hands together. And a Song of Spain, I think you have plenty times to work on this piece, and then I don't think it's too hard for you. And plus there are some repetitions, which means that you learn some part and then you just need to repeat. Once you learn the part, and then you can just repeat the second part, like the part that is the same as that you learned. So it's not like the entire piece is all different music, right? There are some parts that are quite similar, and some parts are repeated. That saves you time, and then when I always say be a smart learner, right? And yeah, definitely do hands together playing. Maybe the first page, both hands. And then if you have time, just work on the second page. And then next week, we're gonna do right hand and left hand, and then go over the piece, okay? And then today we talk about the little things, the details, the things that you got to pay attention. And then again, dynamics, that's gonna be on your own. That's always, no matter what, right? Okay, I think that would be all for today's lesson, pc3. And again, I wish you're all doing well, and I miss you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.